Welcome to the iOS MetaBase app tutorial. First, download the free iOS MetaBase app on the Apple App Store. Direct download links can be found on our website. When you launch the app for the first time, a tutorial will teach you the basics. The meta sensor from the tutorial is already in your available devices list. To start a new session, select the device and press the New Session button. This will prompt a configuration screen when you can turn on and off sensors. Press the Start button to begin. Logging mode enables you to configure your meta sensor to record data in the sensor memory to be retrieved at a later time. The meta sensor blinks red when logging data. Press the Download button to end the session. The meta sensor blinks blue when the data is being transferred to the phone. Sensor data is stored on your phone, and you can export it in any way you want. Streaming mode sends real-time data to your smartphone at up to 100 Hz. Data can be sent to your MetaCloud via email, Dropbox, or using any other app available on your phone. Now, we will add another meta sensor to your list of available devices. Select the Add a Device button on the main screen. A list of available nearby meta sensors is displayed. To help you select the right meta sensor, a Bluetooth signal strength meter is also displayed. The LED on the device will blink green to confirm. You can optionally rename the meta sensor. You can group devices together using the Group button at the top right corner of the app and selecting the meta sensors to group in the list. Grouped meta sensors can be configured simultaneously. You can ungroup devices at any time, and no data will be lost. Similarly, you can delete meta sensors from the device list by swiping left. To troubleshoot a device, select it on the device screen. This will prompt a diagnostic screen with device information. In this screen, you can update the firmware of your board or send a diagnostic email to MYet Lab.